Hello genius, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Fipne explaining. A cable of length 70 meters is hanging from the top of two poles that are about 40 meters from the ground. What is the distance between the two poles if the center of the cable you have A 10 meters from the ground and B 5 meters from the ground? Solution. Before I start explaining or giving you my thoughts on this problem or challenge, please, if you can, you see that you can try. Then afterwards you can just pause the video. Then afterwards, you come and see what I'm going to present here and try to compare. Okay, now let's continue. First of all, I'm going to sketch. So these are my two poles. And this is the cable. This is the sender. So this is 35 meters. This is 35 meters from this point to this point, from this point to this point. This is 40 meters. This is 40 meters. So first of all, I'm going to draw the x and y axis at this point, that meet at this point, this way. You can see that the y axis has divided this into two, this side and this, the left hand side and the right hand side. So we are just going to use one side to solve all this, but one by one. We shall start with this one, then this one down here, out there. So we shall just take one side. So let's start with A 10 meters. So this is 35 meters, half of a cable. This is from this point to this point is 10 meters. From this point to this point is 40, so this is 30 meters. So we shall get the value or this length from this point to this point. We shall call it x. So after getting this length, we shall multiply by 2 to get the distance between the two poles. Are we there? So at this point, you have to remember the general quaternary equation. This equation that is for a tangent, the ground, or the x-axis. So the equation is in this form: y is equals to a cos x over a minus a. This can be written as y plus a is equals to a cos x over a. This a have brought it to the other side of the equal sign. After that, let's look at the point at the top of the cable. The top of the cable. At this the point, you have x and y coordinates. So that's x. Y coordinate is 30. Are we there? Because of this length. Hope you are getting. So I'm going to use this equation here. The y in this, the y coordinate is 30. So I'm going to write this 30 here. So you have 30 plus a is equals to a cos x over a. We divide both sides by a by a. This and this goes. We remain with 30 plus a over a is equals to cos x over a. After that, I'm going to develop an equation for half of cable length. That is a sine sinh, it's sinh x over a is equals to 35 over A. Where is this 35 coming from? 35 is the length of the cable. This one. 35. Are we there? Okay. So, this is A here. It's A. So this and this goes to remain with since X over A is equals to 35 over A. After that, genius, I want you to remember the hyperbolic identity that cos square P minus sinh square P is equals to 1. Are we there? So our cos is this one, 30 plus A over A, but is squared, minus our sinh is 35 over A, but is squared. Right there is equals to 1. This brings us to 900 plus 60A plus A squared minus 1369 is equals to 1. The whole of this A squared. Are we there? Aha. This is 900 minus 1369 plus A squared is equals to A squared. 60A is equals to 469 over 60 over 60. A is equals to 469 over 60. In this our second equation, this one here, sinh X over A is equals to 35 over A. Sinh X over A is equals to 35 over A. This is sinh that is X over A is equals to 35 over A, and our A is 469 over 60. So sinh X over A is the same as sinh 60 over 469 X is equals to 35, that is over A, and our A is this, so it's 35 over 469. This is times 60. So we get our X to be approximately 17.14 meters. Are we there? But remember, this is just the half of the distance between the two poles. So the distance between the two poles, distance D between the two poles is equals to 2x. So this becomes it's approximately 34.28 meters. Let's move to this, the second one. That's B. B, when the center of the cable is 5 meters from the ground. You can use the same procedure, or there's another method just of reasoning. Let's just follow the same procedure and see what is going to happen here. So we shall use the general quaternary equation, just as I have used in the part A, and say that y plus A is equals to A cos X over A. Are we there? Point at the top of the cable. That is, now if this is 5 meters, meaning that from this point to this point it is 35 now. It has 5, 35. So the point here will be x35. x35. So x 35 is the y coordinate. So that is 35 plus A is equals to A cos X over A. We divide all through by A. Now we have 35 plus A over A is equals to cos X over A. We move to the half of cable length. We use A sinh X over A is equals to 35. It's still 35 right there. The length of the cable to the sender is still 35. So 35 over A. So you have sinh X over A is equals to 35 over A. We use the same identity of cos square P minus sinh square P is equals to 1. This becomes 35 plus A over A squared minus 35 over A squared is equals to 1. This is 35 times 35, that is 1225 minus 1225 plus 70A plus A squared is equals to A squared. This is 70A is equals to 0 over 70 over 70. Our A becomes 0 over 70. Hope you understand, genius. A becomes 0 over 70. In the second equation, as we have done here, of sinh X over A, of sinh X over A is equals to 35 over A. And our A is here, 0 over 70. So this is going to be sinh what's our A? 0 over 70. So it's going to be 70 over 0 X is equals to 70 times 35 over 0. This will give X as 0. Are we there? So the distance between the two poles, distance D for B, will be 0 times 2. We get 0 meters. That's the one of the methods for solving that for B. Another one is for reasoning. You can see that the half length of this cable is 35 meters. So if its sender, it is 5 meters from the ground, and the length of the pole is 35 meters. It means that this pole looks this way. No, this cable looks this way. This is the top of the pole, one of the poles. So this is the cable, 35 meters. And it is 35 meters downwards. So it's just like folding this cable this way. So that the length from this point to this point is 35 meters. Are we there? So that the distance or the length from this point to this point be 35. Meaning that the two poles have any distance, have 0 distance between them. And that's the answer for that. Thank you, genius, for watching. Hope you understand. If you have any suggestion about my explanation, about my videos, please let me know in the comment section. But hope you have understood. Thank you. Till next time. Take care, genius. Bye bye.